In this section we're looking at adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. To add any fractions, such as if you were to take the fraction 1/2 plus 1/2, the way we do it is we first make sure that we have common denominators here. We have a 2 and a 2 in the bottom, so since we have like denominators we can add the fractions together. And we start out by taking that common denominator and rewriting it on the other side. We don't add 2 plus 2, we just rewrite the 2. What we do on top is we take the 1 here and the 1 here and we add 1 plus 1 to get 2 over here. So instead of 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 2 over 4, we say it equals 2 over 2, which we know reduces to 1. Now, when we get to dealing with algebraic fractions, it's the same process. So when we look at number 2 here, we have 4 over 12y to the 4th x squared plus 4 over 12y to the 4th x squared. And our answer is going to have 12y to the 4th x squared in the denominator. So I'm just going to take my 4 and my 4 and add them together to get 8. And since everything is being multiplied, there's no addition or subtraction inside of this fraction right here, I can factor down, I can reduce this 12 and this 8. Divide both of those by 4 to get 2 on top and 3 on bottom, and my final answer is going to be 2 over 3y to the 4th x squared. So that would be simplifying that algebraic expression. I'm going to jump down to number 6 to a subtraction problem that looks a little bit more complicated. And we know that subtraction is the same as addition. And when you have a fraction and it's negative, you can choose to put the negative sign on top, on bottom, or kind of in the middle. And right now, all of these have the negative sign essentially in the middle. So if you think of this as plus a negative, we have to decide where we're going to put that negative sign. And what I found is the easiest place to work with it and allows us to keep our common denominators most easily is if you put it on the numerator of that following fraction. When you put it on the numerator, you can't just put it on the 5a, the term that comes first. You need to put it on the entire numerator, that negative sign. And when you do that, you're essentially distributing a negative 1 to everything inside. So you are really saying that you have a negative 5a minus 4. You switched both of those signs to get your new numerator. And then it's back to doing addition. We have a common denominator. So when we write our answer, it's going to be over a squared minus 5a plus 6. And on top we have a minus 4, or minus 5a is negative 4a. We have negative 3 and negative 4 is negative 7. So we have negative 4a minus 7 on top, a squared minus 5a plus 6 on the bottom. And that would be our simplified fraction. So good luck with these. Start a new video after number 7 to look at what to do when our denominators are different.